I guess on like the LP side, Rob, just some of your institutional clients and LPs and your funds, like I guess one, how much overlap is there with the rest of the Ridgepost team? But like, how has their reception been so far? Just as you kind of get to this next chapter and this next kind of pivoting point for Stellus and kind of your platform.
Yeah, sure, Brian. Great question. We've had incredible receptivity from our investor base. Very excited. They know the Ridgepost Capital platform. Most of them do, I would say. We're learning too, as we've gone through the process of getting their approvals, that they already are invested in different vehicles, have been cited. So we think tremendous opportunity, well received by all of our investors.
Yeah. Let's talk about the future a little bit. Maybe touch on the integration process from here. And if we kind of wake up 1, 2, 3 years plus down the line, what does this all look like? How are the teams coming together? And really, I guess, looking over the next year, like the top three priorities just in terms of the integration and kind of extracting some of those synergies.
Yeah, I think it's a great question. Something we think a lot about. We've spent a lot of time on as we've come together in this great new partnership. I would say number one, and this is a really important point. I've mentioned it. Rob's mentioned it. The integrity of the investing process needs to remain sacrosanct. That's how we approach it. And so Rob and the team, who have been leading that investing with the whole team below them, they have a wonderful team at Stellus, will continue to solely and fully control that investing of the capital process. None of that will change. And so first and foremost, they've had incredible investment performance. Obviously, we at Ridgepost across all our strategies pride ourselves on delivering incredible investment performance for our clients. And so the first and most important thing we want is for Rob and team to continue to invest as they have in a world-class way. The next thing I think we want to focus on are the opportunities that I think we both collectively see to do more together. And obviously we've mentioned what we think is that big sourcing opportunity, leveraging the collective network, leveraging the collective kind of, middle market GP ecosystem that we have such a strong and leadership position in. And then obviously the LPs, right? We think there's a lot of opportunities to do more, to go more broad, to go more deep with existing LPs on both sides. And we're really excited about how we can do that and how we can structure that to create a win-win for our clients and for us. Then I think the opportunity for us is, given the leverage and scale of Ridgepost Capital, there's a lot of expertise, I think, that we can bring. They obviously have great expertise, but across areas like distribution, across areas like data and technology and cybersecurity, in areas like human resource management, compliance and controls, finance, accounting, and operations. We have great teams, scaled teams of world-class professionals who've been doing this a long time. And we think that there's a great opportunity to partner together and really extract some leverage and sort of get our processes working in a way that really leverages the size and scale and throw weight that we have across the collective Ridgepost platform.
Once again, that Luke said it well. So I would just say that a lot of preparation came into the closing. Transition teams meeting weekly. We're in a great position now to immediately hit the road with, again, RCP, capital raising. We're very excited about it.